What's up, pretties? I hope y'all ready to hear the tea on how I'm balancing my babies, my babe, and my business all at the same time. If you want to hear, make sure you stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I am Makaya, and I am here at this channel to assist you with becoming your best you. If that's what you want, then you in the right place. Let's go ahead and get right into the story time, you guys. We're gonna get this story time started right with a cup of wine and my favorite mug. So I did have a wine glass, but for some reason, like, we can't keep glass in this house. So watch the satisfaction of wine. Okay, that's what I'll stop. I don't want to be too toasty, but I'm definitely gonna be feeling it. Again, if you read the title, then you know what we're talking about. This is the best wine, y'all. You want some good wine? Listen, and this video is not sponsored by them, okay? But it tastes really good. Part one, your business. You have to set availability, first of all. Your business shouldn't run you. You should run your business. You have to set the operating hours. That time that you just set is set for work. Whatever you consider work. Make the schedule so that you stick to the schedule. It's important to stick to the schedule. If you don't stick to the schedule, then that's when you'll find yourself missing out on the other things that are also important in life, like your bae and your babies. Online booking is a necessity when you are an entrepreneur, because we live in 2022. We live in the ages of everybody doing stuff on their phone. You're not about to get all of these phone calls asking you for your availability and stuff like that. People don't want to do that. Believe it or not, sometimes people don't even want to talk to another human. They just want to get straight to what it is that they're trying to do. So I'm saying this to say, do some online booking, set your availability. You decide when you're going to work and when you're not going to work. In your availability, have some timestamps so that your customers know how much time it's going to take to do whatever the service is. If one thing doesn't pan out for the day, I'm doing something else that's on the list. So here's a tip when it comes to managing your business, your bae, and your babies. Have some time management. Oh, y'all back? Y'all want to hear more? Well, first, let me tell y'all 5 facts about me. My name is Makaya Israel. Recently changed to Makaya Israel Crenshaw because I married my best friend. I am 29 years old. I was born November the 20th, 1992. I am a Scorpio. Gang, gang. Wow. Also, what I do, I am a hairstylist / instructor. Just a little about me. I would love it if in the comments you all drop 5 facts about yourself so that we can get to know each other more, connect on different levels. Make sure you all subscribe here and hit that bell so that you can get more videos, and also comment your other socials, Instagram, Twitter, all of that. You all can find me. I'm Kaya Loves here on everything. So back into it with part 2. We're going to talk about bae. To incorporate bae into everything that you have going on, incorporate bae into everything that you have going on. Tell them about what's happening at work. Tell them about what you're feeling about the children. Incorporate them into your work. Now, maybe they can't do the work with you, but you can get them emotionally involved in the people that you work with, or maybe some struggles that you're experiencing at work. Bring bae in on the things that you have going on at work. Date nights and cooking together, and just taking time to just spend time with one another in the time that you have. Make the time, schedule that time, and say, this is the day that we're going, this is the time that we're going. Go ahead and pre-plan out even where you're going and how you're going to spend that time. That way you can make sure it happens, because that stuff can just kind of pass and pass and pass, and before you know it, you kind of forget what each other looks like, and that's not fun. Trust me. All of those moments are fun and can be enjoyable. Some type of something, anything that you all can learn together. You can challenge each other and you can do it together. Doing it together is the biggest thing. So your girl like to buy a little sexy outfit every now and then to surprise my baby when he get home. Just a little something, you know, something that looks good, you feel good in, you feel confident in. Confidence look real good on us, okay? It helps. That little bit of time, it helps. It's necessary, okay? Put that in there. Stick to the schedule. Stick to the plan. Make time. Prioritize. If you don't make your partner, your children, your business a priority, it won't feel like one. Your children, very important part. And I put the children last because children are so precious and they literally need so much of our attention that I wanted to kind of break this down into different ways. Cooking with your children is a big thing. Mealtime has to happen for everybody, so bring your children in on those times. Yes, it can seem like they're getting in the way and they're doing the most, but if you already set out in your mind what you're going to have them do in the midst of mealtime, it makes it so much more easier and so much less that you have to think about. Give them something to do so that they can feel like they're a part of it. Play dates, taking some time to your friends, your hubby, bringing everybody together and y'all go somewhere where the kids can be kids. Walks to school matter, pickups from school matter, time at the dinner table matter. Make conversation in all of those little times, and I promise you it's gonna help everything to kind of come together. With these tips that we can do it, and if this was helpful, make sure you like this video and you comment below some tips that I can even use and some tips that everyone else watching can use, because it takes a village, right, to even raise our children, to even help with each other. So if you all could do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that bell so that you can get the videos first. You can be the first to see them. You can be the first to comment. I upload every single Tuesday. I know I haven't posted in a while, but y'all can look forward to more story times like this. Y'all can look forward to hair tutorials and skin routine and different things that I'm doing with family vlogs and travel vlogs. And make sure y'all check out the next video. You'll see it pop up right here. A lot of tips and a lot of value of different things that'll help you to be able to be your best bossy boss. Love you later.
Say a prayer for me. I'm surrounded by some people that need prayer, mommy. Tell them keep me from that evil life.